Hey guys, well, I'm doing another mukbang today, and guess where I'm eating from? Panera. I got me I got me a one of their bowls. This one is the chicken bowl. Oh, it's the chicken Baja bowl. Chicken Baja bowl, and it has Greek yogurt, and it's like a green avocado on it, and black beans and corn salsa, and feta cheese and tomato and chicken. And then in the bottom it has rice. I think they call it quinoa or something like that. Anyway, I've had this before, and I've been wanting to talk about this on a video, so I finally am getting around to it. I'm gonna stir it up real good. And at first, excuse me, at first I thought it sounded kind of weird, the ingredients, but I thought, well, I'll try it. And actually, the combination of the stuff is really good. It actually is really good. I'm gonna stir it up. I'm stirring it up. I ordered this off the app so I could do the rapid pickup. Panera's ordering app is really good. I've not had a problem with it. The food's ready when I go in there and get it. So I'm gonna take a bite. And I'm at the mall parking lot. Nobody's out here. I'm at my favorite spot. There's a tree that I like to go to. This is good right here. Man, y'all should get this. And for a side, you can get bread. You can customize your side. Apple. I got chips. They're the kettle chips. So, and for a drink, I got unsweet tea with Splenda, so I don't get diabetes. I've been taking a little Starbucks break. I hope you guys enjoyed all my other videos. This is really good. Yeah, I thought I'd do mukbang today. It's nice and cool this morning. Eric's still working at home, and well, he went back to work a couple of days, and they were going to make them wear a mask all day. That's why he decided that he was just going to keep working at home. I don't blame him. I mean, I wouldn't want to wear a mask all day anyway. I haven't been to any movies for a few days because I've seen everything, but today is Thursday, and so some new movies are starting like this evening, so I'm gonna get tickets for tomorrow for that Ryan Reynolds movie. It's called, what is it called? Free Guy? It's called Free Guy, I think. And then I love Greek yogurt. I want to go see that Aretha Franklin movie, Respect. So I'll probably go see that on Tuesday for the $5 day. So this is the Baja Bowl from Panera. And they have another one called the Mediterranean bowl, and it's like a Greek one. And I had it before, but it's kind of gross because it has the rice in it and everything, but it also has lettuce in it, and it was really disgusting with the lettuce in it. So I opted not to get that one again. But some of these apps, I like them because you can customize what you want in your food. Like, for this one, I didn't want a lot of tomatoes, so, ooh, this fly, man. So I said light on the tomatoes, and then I wanted extra feta cheese. I don't know how healthy this is. This looks like it's healthy. I don't know how much calories is in it. So, yeah. Let me get a bite of these chips. I went to a stupid movie last week. It was Saturday. I went and saw a movie. I don't know if y'all heard of it. Called The Green Knight. And it has that actor that was in the Slumdog Millionaire movie, Dev Patel. He was also in that movie Lion, about the little boy that got left at a train station, and some Australian couple found him or something. So that movie was pretty good. It's called Lion. But anyway, Dev Patel, this actor, played in this Green Knight movie, and it was about like King Arthur, and I thought it was gonna be like a good movie about King Arthur and the Knights of the Round Table, but it was about King Arthur's nephew, I think, Gawain. Let me tell you what, that movie was weird. It was so weird. I was really disappointed. But the movie at the beginning, I mean, it was just weird. The music was weird. I didn't know what was going on. And then after the movie, I went home and I read the reviews about the movie, and a lot of people said the same thing that I was thinking. But the movie was put on by a studio, A24 Studios, and when I saw that at the beginning of the movie, A24 Studio, I was like, oh Lord, this is gonna be a dumb movie. Sure enough, it was. Because I saw a movie a few weeks ago by Studio A24. Sure enough, it was a dumb movie. I just didn't get what was going on. And let me just show you a close-up. So, it's the rice, the chicken, corn and bean salsa, tomatoes, some Greek yogurt. This is really good, you guys. I don't even really like the tomatoes in it, so I'm not going to eat the tomatoes. But I'm excited about in December, the West Side Story remake by Steven Spielberg. I'm excited about that. It's in December. I like the original. Oh man, that was with Natalie Wood. There's a Place for Us. I love it. And America. I love that. It's a really good movie. I'm really excited about that. I hope it's good. Because some of these remakes, they're not good. I watched a movie. I recorded a movie the other night. An old movie. It's called State Fair. And it's a Rodgers and Hammerstein movie. And I've seen all of theirs pretty much. I mean, I've seen every stinking musical. I mean, I got a bunch of Elvis movies recorded because the TMC movies, TCM, Turner Classic movie, last month they were showing Elvis movies every Thursday, so I DVR'd all of them. And so I got those recorded. But this movie I watched, State Fair, that was a really good movie. They don't make good movies anymore. Like the classic, musicals. Like, I love, like, Singing in the Rain. Oklahoma. Of course, I liked Oklahoma because I lived in Oklahoma. I lived in Tulsa, Oklahoma. So, yeah, I've seen the musical Oklahoma. I mean, you have to. You know, living in Oklahoma with Shirley Jones. So I have, this is good. I have about 2 weeks to the Harry Connick concert. And Eric's like, don't get too excited that it might get canceled. Oh, it better not get canceled. I am so sick of this pandemic crap. My concert better not get canceled. Please, Jesus, do not let this get canceled. I have been wanting to go do something fun for so long. I got 2 weeks to go. Please, don't let anything mess up this concert or any of my other things coming up in the fall. I need this. I need a break. I need a break. See, what I do when I go to a fountain, I fill up my drink with more drink and not a lot of ice. So I got a lot of drink in here and not quite as much ice. I mean, because it's still cold. That's what I do at the movie theater. But the movie theater hours are going to get back to normal because the Galleria, they're not open every day. And I just noticed that the movies are going to start, they're starting later, like at like 3:45, 4 o'clock. So, and it looks like Houston Lakes is still going to be 7 days a week and open around lunch. So I'm going to have to start going to Houston Lakes. But the one thing I like about the Galleria movie theater is you can fill up your own drink. You can't do that at Houston Lake. I think Houston Lake has butter pumps too. You can do butter. So I'm gonna have to start going to Houston Lakes, I guess. Ooh. Yeah, I got me I can't remember, I didn't tell you guys, but ooh, there's a fly in here. I got that watch. Eric bought me that Seiko watch, that gold Seiko watch, and I was telling y'all about how I wanted a I had wanted a silver watch. Man. Wow. It was like last month. I was researching silver watches, Seiko watches, and I found one on Seiko.com, but it was too expensive. So I found a cheaper one on Amazon, just like it. I wish I had the watch on me now, but I don't. So I found it on Amazon for cheaper than the Seiko website, but I didn't buy it right away. Well, I looked on eBay. They had a used one for like $60, but I didn't want to use it. But I found a brand new one, cheaper than Amazon. And also it had free shipping. But it said counter offer. I made a counter offer. I thought, well, let me just try to do a counter offer. So it was like 100 and something that they were asking. Oh, it was 150, I think. It was 150. I counter offered. I offered 100, and they offered me $115. So I took that offer of 115, and instead of paying regular price of like 200 and something on Seiko. So I got me a nice silver Seiko watch for 115, but then plus tax. So it's about, I think, 120 that I paid. But I'm gonna take a picture of it. This is so good. And I will post a picture because it's really nice. I didn't even tell Eric I bought it. I wore it one day at church. He didn't even notice it. He don't even notice half the stuff I have half the time. So, this is good stuff. But I've been going swimming, going swimming. And seeing movies. Yeah, you guys, if you live in my area, don't go eat at Chili's. I've been there 3 times, and it's not that good. The last time I went, I had a turkey club sandwich. That was good. It was a sandwich. I mean, but the other 2 times, I had a quesadilla the first time. It was like a barbecue quesadilla. And I had the second time, a disgusting Mexican type bowl with lettuce and rice and the cheese. It was so disgusting. I hope y'all are enjoying my mukbangs. I'm trying in my other videos, my package hauls. I got some stuff in the trunk right now that I gotta get it out of there before Big E sees it. Because if he sees it, ooh, Oh, I've been meaning to tell y'all about this bag I got at Target. I got this really nice bag. When I go to Target, I'm a sucker for their bags and tote bags and t-shirts. I got this from Target. So this is the bag I'm talking about. It's like pink. It's a pink bag, and it's a sling bag. It's not a backpack. It's just a sling, so I can sling it. But the reason why I liked it, and this was $20. The reason why I like this bag It's got this front pocket, and I can put all my crap in it. My lotion, my whatever's in there. Okay. But and then I'm gonna open the main part. The main part is this, and the reason why I really like this bag is because I can put my tablet in here. That's why I like it, because I can put my tablet in here, and there's no pockets in this bag. And I'm not like just digging around. I mean, it's right there. Everything's right there. I'm gonna slide it out. So, Target. I wish they didn't have black. They only had this color and like a orangey pink color, and then like a checkered, black and white checkered. But this is really convenient to have this. But let me finish eating this bowl. This is some good stuff right here. So yeah, when Eric told me he wasn't gonna be going back, he ain't even going on Wednesdays till about 5:15 just to go for church. So the point of my story about what I'm saying, I'm not gonna get a break. I'm not gonna get a break. So I want to definitely go see Aretha Franklin, that movie. I don't know. I should have just not got tomatoes on this. So yesterday was no. So Tuesday was kind of boring because I didn't go to a movie, and it was sunny. And then I was gonna get in the pool, and then it just started storming. It just got cloudy and started thundering. So I was like, okay, well, I'm not gonna go swimming today either. And it kept thundering. It thundered, but it didn't even rain. It did not even rain. And then yesterday, I did get in for a little bit because it was sunny and hot. And then I had to get out because I went and played trivia. And while we were at trivia, it just poured. I mean, it just poured. So it's really crazy how the weather does. It'll be sunny all day. Like, it's sunny right now, but I'm not going to get too excited because it might rain. If you guys want something to watch, go watch my other videos. My mukbang, my coffee creamer. That Fruity Pebbles creamer is legit, man. It is so good. I wish I could find the Cocoa Pebbles creamer. I cannot. I hate when there's like a food item that I want to try and I can't find it anywhere. I did find they have Reese's peanut butter snack cakes, and I finally found them, but they don't have them in the boxes. I want a box of them, and they don't sell them anywhere. So I was at Publix the other day, and they had the individual ones, and I'm gonna do my review. Watch for a video on that. They had the little packets of them on the end cap at the register, so I bought like 5 of them, and I'm gonna do a video. But they don't have them in the boxes. I looked in the snack cake aisle and the cookie aisle. I don't have them. I looked online, and a little box of them, a 12-pack with two cakes in them, is like $40 on Amazon. I'm not paying that for that. No. I mean, I drink Snapple tea, diet Snapple tea. And Publix used to sell the 6-packs of them, the bottled Snapples of the diet raspberry, and they had the diet lemon and the diet peach of the diet Snapple teas. They quit selling them. I can barely get peach tea Snapple over there, and they sell the half and half. They don't sell the the glass bottles and the 6-packs. They sell the jugs of them. So I have to order the diet tea in the bottles on Amazon, and it's expensive just for that. I hate when I have to order food items and drink items because of the grocery stores. I cannot find that anywhere. I looked at Walmart. Ooh, I'm starting to sweat. I'm gonna have to wrap this up in a minute, guys. So I think I am gonna wrap it up because I'm starting to get sweaty. And oh, I went to the library yesterday. Some days it's good going in the library. You know, some days it's quiet. It's getting better because kids went back to school. But and there's a sign on the door: turn your cell phone off. Lady was her ringer. They got this loud ring on her phone, and she's just talking in the library, talking. It's so rude, man. Oh my, I just want to tell him, shut up, man. Turn your phone off. I turned mine off. I mean, is your phone call that important? I mean, is it really that important? The library is supposed to be a quiet place. And the other day, when I went in the library, this lady, she's at one of the computers. She had brought her dog in to the library. And it wasn't even one of them emotional support dogs, one of them special dogs. It was just a regular old dog. I'm like, what is going on in the library? I just want to be quiet. Oh, and not only that, the ladies that work in the library, they got this noisy book cart they roll around, and it's so loud. And the library ladies, there's one person in the library, this girl that works in the library. Oh my goodness, she's just annoying when she's talking. She's just talking. I just want to tell her to be quiet, man. It's Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed my mukbang. It's Panera. As you can see, it's almost gone. This is good right here. Panera is expensive. It really is, for a little half of a sandwich and chips. But you can eat healthy there. You can eat healthy at Panera. So if you like this, give me some ideas of places to try and go eat, and I'll do it. And as usual, I'll tell my stories about Eric and my opinion on movies and food and everything. So I'm gonna get off of here because I'm getting hot. Go check out my other videos. Just type in Michelle Duhan or Harry Connick 2 and I'll pop up. Go watch my concert videos. Give me some ideas if you want me to do something. Just let me know. Go look for me on my Macari. I sold something yesterday. So go look at my stuff. I'm gonna get off of here because I'm getting kind of hot. And I hope y'all have a good Thursday. I'm gonna go get some movie tickets today for tomorrow. And hopefully swim in my pool. And that'll be it for today. And I will definitely talk to you guys again on another video.